Hey guys, we are going to work on a cow print tumbler today. This is a birthday gift for a little girl that I know, and the cut might look kind of weird because I had to strip it, but you'll never know in the end, so that's okay. So I started out painting this an antique white, I believe. It's like an off-white, and right now I'm heating it up to apply my epoxy for my glitter. So just like always, when you're applying glitter with the epoxy method, you just want to use a little bit of epoxy, like the least amount that you can. But when you heat the cup up, the epoxy smooths on really easily, and it's easier to move it around when the cup is heated up. So the white glitter that I'm using it's called Mother of Pearl, and it's from StarCraft. And this is kind of like an opal with a shift, which I didn't realize at first. So you'll see where I went wrong here in a little bit. Next, we're going to let the epoxy dry for a little bit, and then we're going to hop into doing our cow print with some alcohol inks. I have a black and a brown here, and I just got these from Michael's. You can use whatever colors you want to use. So I'm going to place my ink on those raised parts from the cup being stripped. That way in the end you can't even see that they're there. I did not epoxy this cup before I started. You want to drop the ink onto the raw glitter. I'm sure you've noticed by now that when the inks dry down, they look green. And I think it's terrible. So I do fix it, don't worry. I've been looking at it this whole time like, this isn't right. This does not look good. And right here, I'm showing my husband. I'm like, look, it's green. I can't leave it like this. And right here, I'm showing you a picture so you can get a good look at how green it is. So I decide I have to fix this. I can't leave it looking green. And I pull out my Mod Podge and some brown glitter and some black glitter, again, from somebody who does not sell glitter anymore. I bought a bunch of glitter from her, so that's basically all that I use. So I am gonna just Mod Podge these spots, and I'm gonna glitter it instead. And where the black and the brown meet, I do try to ombre it, that way it's not super harsh lines. Oops, I forgot I used a different black glitter. It's called Into the Night, or Into the Dark. I'm gonna have to check on that. From Madam Glitter, from a vinyl store here local to me. But I'll put it in the description, that way you know, in case you like it and want to get it. It does have some silver flecks in it, that way it does sparkle under the epoxy. A lot of black glitter does not sparkle under epoxy. This one looked pretty good. Okay, here it is with all the glitter on it. It didn't turn out too bad. I kind of really like the way it looks. After that, I did 2 coats of epoxy. I did my sanding, mostly around the top and around the bottom. Make sure that you sand down to where there's a thin line of stainless steel showing at the top. That way your epoxy has something to grip onto. And then we're going to put her name on it. These fonts are just in Cricut, and I did an offset in black, and I used a teal. She likes teals and blues. I thought this teal looked really good. Her name's Adrienne, so we're going to put this long ways on the cup. I'm going to find a good spot and stick it on. I hate when my head gets in the shot. I let my hair go too long without dyeing it. I know, don't look at it, okay? Finally got the offset on. Now for the teal, I'm going to do this one letter at a time because somehow I always manage to mess this up. Okay, got that done. Now, 2 more coats of epoxy, and it'll be done. Here it is all finished. Didn't turn out too bad, and she loved it. If you guys liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!